Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably seen Labubu Big Into Energy, the viral vinyl plush pendant blind box that's taken the internet by storm, especially after Blackpink's Lisa posted about it and sent collectors into a frenzy. Labubu, created by Hong Kong-based artist Kazing Lung and produced by Pop Mart, has quickly become one of the most talked about collectibles of the year. The character's quirky, slightly creepy charm, paired with its limited availability and sleek packaging, makes it instantly eye-catching. But beyond the hype and aesthetic appeal, there's a lot to unpack. On one hand, Pop Mart has a solid reputation in the designer toy industry, which gives the product some credibility. The detailing, character backstory, and collectible value are definite strengths. But the flip side is just as real. The quality control isn't always consistent, and some buyers have reported stitching issues, uneven prints, and a feeling that the item doesn't quite live up to the premium pricing. Then there's the blind box format, which adds excitement but also frustration, especially when you're hoping for a specific version and end up disappointed. And with resale prices spiking due to limited stock, it's easy to wonder whether this is a genuine art piece or a cleverly marketed trend driven more by FOMO than substance. Labubu may have cultural momentum and artistic roots, but whether it truly holds long-term value depends on what kind of collector you are, someone chasing hype, or someone looking for pieces that actually feel worth the investment. This review takes both sides into account so you can decide where you stand in the Labubu craze.